Welcome to Really Raha, the podcast for women who know they're way too powerful to be stuck in a 9-to-5. I'm Rahaf, multi-six-figure high-ticket sales coach, PhD student in global leadership and change, and sponsored skateboarder. I went from serving tables and chasing tips to mastering high-ticket sales and building income streams that don't require me to trade hours for dollars. Here we talk about the real path into remote sales, landing aligned offers, closing with confidence, regulating your nervous system under pressure, and building a skill set that pays you from anywhere. This isn't bro sales. This is psychology, power, and feminine precision. If you're here, it's because you feel it. Freedom isn't optional for you. It's inevitable. Let's get into it. Hi, welcome back to the Really Raha podcast. I'm coming in here with a short video today, or at least that's what I'm thinking right now, but we know how it goes. But this is going to be a season finale. Until next season. I'm taking a few weeks break from the podcast, give or take. We're going to see. I'm not even putting a date on it. I want to be able to just focus on really scaling my business. We're growing Team RR right now. We're bringing in the setter. We just introduced Radiance Room, which is an honors part of Revenue Room. And I'm going to have girls be taking my calls. So there is so much flipping stuff happening right now. And when you're a business owner and you look at all the things that you get to do, you get to really prioritize and think about the thing that's moving the needle forward the most. And as much as I love you guys, I need to take a break from the weekly podcast, and I shall return after I am now delegating a lot more. I can be more of the visionary, more of the CEO. I am currently a full-time closer for my offer, on top of making the content, making the podcast, writing my dissertation, training women in Revenue Room. So I'm wearing a lot of hats right now, and I'm in the process of taking a lot off. So I want to give that all my attention. I have big goals with finishing chapter 1 through 3 for my dissertation. So we'll see, few weeks, few months. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me in so many different places. TikTok, Threads, send me a DM, say hi to me. You know what I'm doing right now. Revenue Room is like the pinnacle of everything I'm working on. The girls are outreaching, they're finding roles, they're landing offers, they're learning such a deep skill set of sales. It is absolutely nuts how quickly they're progressing. I literally can't even recognize them after like a week. So there's just so much happening, and I love you so much. Think of this as coming back to a new season of the Really Raw podcast, and I'm excited to update you on the journey. Mwah. If this episode resonated with you, if something clicked, stretched you, or made you see what's possible, share it and tag me on Instagram at Radiant Rahaf so I can hype you up properly. And if you haven't already, subscribe and leave a 5-star review so more women who are ready to step into high-ticket sales and reclaim their freedom can find this space. Thank you for being here. I'm so excited for you already. See you next Tuesday.